The iPhone 13 versus iPhone 15. Is the upgrade worth it? Between the iPhone 13 and iPhone 15, the latter ranks at the pinnacle of Apple's iPhone lineup by being the highest upgrade to its flagship handset, staying above all of its preceding iPhone series. By the tech giant Apple, the iPhone 15 has recently been launched in 2023 as the successor to its predecessor, the iPhone 14, while boasting enhancements in various areas, such as an improved camera system, better battery, and an upgraded A16 chip. Besides all of these emboldened differences, the most significant of the upgrades endorsed on the iPhone 15 include an additional GPU core, emergency SOS via satellite, the photonic engine, and an action button. Nevertheless, both the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 15 offer a range of features and specifications in common, such as the same display size, 5G connectivity, a similar design, water resistance, ceramic shield glass, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, support for MagSafe accessories, and more. In terms of their prices, the base model of the iPhone 15 costs $850, whereas its predecessor can be bought for $490. If you care to know more about the differences between iPhone 13 and iPhone 15, this table here comprises in great detail all their specs and features.